everyone, it is Erin Floda here, and I am here today to set up my business traveler's notebook, and I am using this wonderful Sunshine and Rainbows kit. I released this a few months ago, I think. I don't know. Everything seems to be blurring together. So a few of these sheets are patron exclusives. It is one of the wonderful things that I love about working with my patrons is they give me so many ideas, and a lot of them cannot be contained in one full kit. So I do include a bunch of patron exclusives. So if you are interested in getting a say into what is included in my kit, or if you want access to these stickers that only patrons will get, I will leave a link to my Patreon down below so that you can take a look at the different tiers and decide if that's maybe something you want to join. And not only do you get like really cool kits, but there's also a really awesome sense of community there. So my business traveler's notebook, I will leave a playlist to a bunch of the plan with me's. So that is a mixture of my monthly plan with me's and my regular bullet journal, and also these business traveler's notebooks. So one of the things that I really do love about my business traveler's notebook is that I really get to play around with my stickers. It's not something I do often in my regular bullet journal, so getting an opportunity to play with those and to really make sure I'm focusing on things that are super important to me, and that's one of the things is the growth of my business. So I have really, really loved putting this traveler's notebook together. I do think that at some point I may have to make some adjustments because I do love the traveler's notebook, but I'm not dumb. I know that I'm going to have to go back to work at some point, and having things in a lot of separate notebooks, I'm going to have to make some adjustments there. So I am putting together my normal monthly setup. I included this in my business traveler's notebook last month, which is just kind of a task list, and this is a chrono deck, so it is something that happens on different timetables. And of course, I've released the new metal ones that also fit a traveler's notebook, so that has been super perfect for me. So I have a master task list on the top where I just put tasks that happen once or twice, that they're not happening on a timetable. And then on the bottom, I am including things that happen on a timetable. For example, I have a daily section, a bi-weekly, a weekly, and a monthly section. So I included this last month, and I really, really enjoyed it. So I thought it would be helpful to also include for this month. So you can see the different timetables I have here and what I'm working on. For example, I ship orders twice a week on on Tuesday and on Friday. And so after I finish working on orders, my desk is absolutely a mess. So then I try to clean my desk on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So it's kind of that idea. So if you do want to know more information about that stencil and how it works, I will link the 10 types video that I did below, because that might give you an idea of different ways that you can use that stencil. Moving on, I am creating a waiting on section. So I've been getting more things manufactured, which has helped me with different timelines and things like that. And not only that, but creating better quality products because there's only so much that I can do at home. So it's been really nice. I've really liked the companies that I've been working with. So I have a little waiting on section because a lot of things I have to order quite a bit ahead of time because they have to get manufactured and shipped to me. So I have a little section there about the item that I am waiting on, when it is shipping, and who the manufacturer is. And then moving on to the bottom, I have my normal monthly review. So this is my social media review. Unfortunately, one of the things that is really important when you own a business is being able to market yourself on social media, which I'm apparently terrible at because all of my numbers just keep going down. So I do keep track of it, even though it's pretty depressing at the end of the month that I continually lose followers. But honestly, at this point, it feels like an inevitable thing that it is just how social media is working right now. I know amazing creators that are also losing followers, and it's just because people are getting rid of bots, and it's frustrating, but it is what it is at this point. On the next side, I have a finances section. So basically what I do is at the end of every month, I look at the different income streams that I've gotten, which is in the top section, and it's typically Patreon, YouTube, my affiliations, my own shops, and then I have a section for other just in case there's something that happens in the month, and then a total section over on the right hand side. So that's typically my general business income stream. And then at the bottom, I have a section for expenses where I just log the different expenses to help me with my taxes later on. And after having finally done my taxes, it was immensely helpful to have this section. So I do highly, highly recommend it if you have a business to go ahead and do a finances spread. I don't keep track of my regular finances because I'm fairly comfortable with my budget, but doing it for my business has been super helpful. And on this next page, I am putting in my design team information. So I am on the Archer and Olive design team. And so there are certain things that I have to do every month specifically for being on that team. So I have a little calendar, and that's going to have different dates of when things are due for them and different timelines. For example, the subscription box is coming out, so there is a timeline when we start doing sneak peeks for that subscription box, and it's really helpful to see everything at a glance in that section. And then on the bottom, I just have a general task list for that. And on the page next to it, I have a meeting notes page because we typically meet once a month to discuss what's going on. And so that's everything in this Traveler's Notebook. I hope you really enjoy this video. It's a lot of fun for me to set up using these stickers. If you want to watch some more videos, here are some other videos you may like. And thank you so much to my patrons. You guys are amazing. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.